Hello, my name is Ilya Spurov. I'm a chairman of the board of the company RAFA Pharmaceuticals. Today we launch a series of videos for you, and we're going to tell you about our company, show you the investment opportunities and benefits for you, to inform you about our plans, what we're going to build and create, and to draw your attention to our developments and what we're about to show in the global market in the nearest future. 15 years ago, Philip Tatlak, psychologist at the University of Pennsylvania, did a long-term research to verify the quality of predictions made by specialists. For many years, he's been asking people who are professionals in different areas and also non-professionals in the same exact areas to tell him their predictions in the niches they're working in. In 10 years, he got around 80,000 predictions. He processed the data and waited till those predictions came true, or didn't, and published the results of the research. And they were very disappointing. Specialists and experts had nearly the same predictions accuracy as the dilettantes. It means that nowadays we don't have a reliable way to predict the future, and the only way is to create our own future. And this is our goal. A year ago, we bought this company to reorganize it into modern international group, which develops new medications and medical technology and bringing those to the market, also producing clinical pharmaceuticals and developing production and scientific competence, and competes with other players in the market, knowing what happens in real economy, real pharmacology, real biotechnology during the development of new projects. We define our company as deep tech. We plan on creating new technological platforms in which we can develop sets of drugs and treatment of certain diseases based on one or two platform technology, which are connected to certain biological technology. Considering those factors, our main resource is people working in our team, and we focus on it a lot, because it's impossible to build a new future without people and the team. And no other resources can replace our will and ability to work and to create new things. Our team has about 1,500 people, and we develop our skills and competencies together to create an indispensable scientific and industrial base for the development of our products. Right now we're in the middle of industrial revolution. Also, people call it Industry 4.0 or introduction of artificial intelligence. There is a lot of different formulas describing it, but it's obvious that everything changes quickly and irreversibly. And we must be on the forefront of those changes to create a stable position from which we can expand our market shares. We can clearly define three main aspects. First, we see a huge boost of artificial intelligence technology, or AI, and technologies associated with various methods of data processing. We see companies related to that hold the largest market shares and still expanding, so we cannot ignore that. Second, big influence of people on final decision-making and developing new products. We see a whole new crowdfunding technology, and a lot of technological approaches and product lines are based on this, and we cannot ignore that as well. And also we see the participation of buyers and shareholders in final product production. Third aspect is the emergence of young companies on the market, which are very focused and grow in narrow segment of their market, but quickly provide global coverage. And this is a very important competitive advantage, which they convert to real success on the market. And we also have to consider that creating any company development strategy. The changes affected the relationship between the main production facilities. The things we considered to be important before, such as buildings, constructions, technology, programs, anything, is now faded into the background. People's motivation, desire to create anew, their creativity is now getting more important than everything else, than money, than real estate, than market shares. A strong team of a company is more important than property and funds. And we have to consider that and to maintain our will to produce products that are interesting for you. We'll continue this series of videos to more fully and step by step tell you about what we're working on and what we can offer to the market. Thank you.